Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roma and today's makeup look that we're going to be doing is super fun. We're in the Disney princess themes right now, and this one is based on Aurora or Sleeping Beauty. So these are the colors that we are looking at. We've got Blossom, Dusty Rose, and Rose Gold, and we're going to be using Darling Pink on our cheeks. So these are really simple looks. I want to keep it simple so that people don't feel overwhelmed or out of their league. So let's get started. We're going to start with the lightest color, which is Blossom. It is like a matte pink, super soft, and I'm just going to use our all over eyeshadow brush, and that is going to just go on the upper part of our eyelid, so above the crease into the inner corner. Just evens out and lightens and brightens up that space there. Nice broad strokes. You can see how it just sort of evens everything out, right? Then what we're going to do is we're just going to clean that off, and we are going to use Rose Gold, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's one of my favorite colors. It's like a shimmery rose, very light and pale. Again, we're going to use our all over eyeshadow brush, and this is just going to go right on the lid part. So the part that moves over your eye. You can see that shimmer. It's beautiful. I really like having shimmer over the middle part of the eyes. I feel like it draws the eye to your eyes, right? Like other person's eye to your eyes, which is awesome. And then we're going to use Dusty Pink. Now this is a matte rose color. I'm going to use our smudger brush because I'm going to get it right into the, that's what it looks like, right into the crease. So this is an interesting color because it actually has a fair bit of pigmentation. So I'm just going to get some on the tip of the brush, and I'm just going to massage it into the crease. So if you're not sure where your crease is, it is that groove above your eyeball. Here's a tip for you too. If you have hooded eyes where the brow bone kind of covers up your eye, a good idea for you is to take this crease color and take it up a notch. So the idea of a color in the crease is actually so that when your eyes are open, you see a little bit of the hint of that color. So if you have hooded eyes, you're going to want to bring it up a notch so that you can see it over when you've got your eyes open. So I've got this color going in the crease, and then I'm also going to just smudge it in the outer corner of the eye. Just like that. Then I'm going to take that all over eyeshadow brush, dust it off, and blend everything together. So this is a really soft eye look. Very pretty. If you're not a loud person, this is perfect. Now you can actually see this on my face because of my coloring. When I wear pink eye makeup, it kind of washes me out and doesn't make me look very healthy. So maybe you're like me, maybe you're not, and you didn't even notice those things, but I really feel that. So what you want to do with pink colors is you want to ground them a bit. So I'm going to use our liquid liner in black. Usually I prefer the Steely color, which is the gray, which softens everything a little bit, but with the pink eye color, I really want to ground this. So I'm just going to do a small line along the upper lash line. So otherwise I'll look sick, and we definitely don't want that right now, do we? So just a simple line along the upper lash line, and then I'm going to blow my lashes out of the water with the Lash Intensity Mascara. So this should, with that dark color next to my eyes, it'll ground it. It'll make it look like pretty eyeshadow instead of making me look like I'm suffering or ill. we go. So that's it for our eyes. Now I did get some smudgy with the mascara just on the upper side here, so I'm just going to take a dry Q-tip. Actually, if you use a dry Q-tip, you don't rub off the eyeshadow underneath. So it's a good thought. All right, and then we're going to just do the cheek color, Darling Pink. I'm going to use our big cheek brush and just the rounded part there. Just get some color. Smile, find the apples of your cheeks. Blend it along the apples of your cheeks and along the cheekbones. So again, this is a really soft makeup look, but that's sort of, Sleeping Beauty's got that soft sort of personality, right? She's not like some of the other Disney princesses that are warrior princesses. So that is how we want to reflect her in this makeup look. And then I chose Fancy Nancy lip gloss because, again, I didn't want a really loud or bold color. I just wanted something soft and pretty. It's got a bit of sparkle in it. And it's a color that actually looks great on everybody. I have to say that I've never seen this color look bad on anyone. So there's our Fancy Nancy lip gloss, our soft pink eyes, and that's our Sleeping Beauty look. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you had fun, and good luck with your Disney princess look.